a Bentley?
Yeah.
Think I'm faster than a Bentley?
No. What is going on, everyone? T here, back again with another video. So right now I'm waiting on James and Skip to come here, and today I am rehoming my bearded dragon. James is gonna take care of him from now on. I'm a little sad because when I just got my bearded dragon, it was like this big, and right now he's like this big. Yeah, but I'm glad that I can hand it over to my friend, to somebody that I know for a fact that he's gonna take care of him just as much as I do.
On to the other 2 months, but we're not paying it, so I only have to pay utilities.
See, I would move back upstairs if there wasn't a giant bunch of holes in the walls.
In the power.
I would just run an extension cord. Really, the only things that I run are my TV and my Xbox.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to rerun my cord.
Why?
To get the strip over so I can hook up the lights. I'm probably going to unplug my strip that's on the bathroom door and put it back where it originally was. Over on the Tyler's door above him. And if we get power soon, then I can put my other strip back. Which would be dope because I missed that strip.
If we get
We can get power back. Because I don't mind paying somebody if I'm not paying rent.
out of the hole.
Is that tipper on? The drive-thru still open? Oh, it's a red light. Maybe.
Or you can get like a tiny, the cushion thing. Fuck English, so hard. Whatever. Yeah, could be.
You still have to come from LTO over your $600 bag hoodie.
No, it's $400. Wash it off.
Should I put water in that?
Yeah.
Ooh, he is so scared.
Kind of. There he goes.
Oh, I'm gonna get one of those waterfalls. The battery operated. It's like a waterfall, you know what I'm talking about?
Got some poop right there.
He's probably cold.
How you feel?
Well, I'm a dad now.
He's gonna live up to 20 years.
This is my adopted son, Popo. He's gonna get thick. I'm gonna be feeding him gummy worms instead of real worms.
Just finished rehoming my bearded dragon. It's about to go home now. It's pretty late. Yeah, we in the hood. By the way, check out James' SUV. It's really clean. I like it a lot.
Look at that diffuser. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Probably not. You got a sick diffuser over there. Yeah, no, you see it.
Okay, we about to race this Impala.